how to import Phantom Wallet to Telegram bot. So in order to import any of your Phantom Wallet to any of the Telegram bots that you are using, you need to have the private key of your Phantom Wallet in hand. So in order to get the private key of your Phantom Wallet, you first have to launch your Phantom Wallet application, and here you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon so that you would come to the settings of your Phantom Wallet. Now over here, you just have to simply select the account, the private key of which you want to get, and after tapping on that account, you just have to tap on the show private key option. Now over here, it will give you some of the precautions that you need to keep in mind while working with your private keys, like you should not share your private key with anyone else, and you should keep your private key at somewhere safe place. Now here, you just have to simply check this box in the bottom and press continue. In the bottom, on the next page, you'll be able to see your private key, which you just have to copy from here. Then you just have to simply open any of the Telegram bot of yours. So over here, once you are in your bot, you'll be able to see the import Solana wallet option. So you need to tap on import Solana wallet and select the option of proceed with import. Now in this section, you need to paste that key that you have just copied from your Phantom wallet, and after that, it will be added in your bot, and now you can easily start using your Phantom wallet with your Telegram boards. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.